Just a quick video today to show you how to determine what kinds of offers you should produce for your website. So most businesses are found for some sort of content that they've produced, and it's easy to create an offer or a freebie or a worksheet based on what people are already searching for on your site. So we use Analytify in our WordPress dashboard. And Analytify is a great tool that pulls in your Google Analytics. And it also gives you top pages by views, and it gives it to you in whatever time frame you want to search for. So you can set, say, the last 6 months, and you can say, what are my most popular pages? And as you can see here, this is our home page. We have 713 views. And we have how to create a custom product page in Squarespace. This is a really popular topic. We develop a lot of sites for Squarespace, and we wrote a blog post, and a lot of people are asking how to do that. So it would be in our best interest to actually develop an offer, a freebie, a download to put on this page that ties into the subject that's related in this blog post. So we actually have gone ahead and created a brand new document called How to Create a Custom Blog Post Page in Squarespace. So this goes along with how to create a custom product page in Squarespace. It's a parallel companion that goes really nicely. The other offer that we're working on right now is going to be related to this blog post, how to create an Instagram landing page in 3 easy steps for WordPress. We also have this for Squarespace, and we're doing a special guide on how to light your products for Instagram, which is another companion offer piece that goes along with this blog post. So if you check out your specific searches and say, who's really searching for stuff on our site, and develop offers that go with it, you're going to be able to tailor and target the people who are searching for these specific topics with something that's very relevant to have them convert and give you their email address. And of course, then you can use that email address to nurture them to become a customer. And this works for all of our clients. We just have to be showing you our data, but this works for all clients. And that's it. That's how you use your analytics to determine the most popular pages on your site and what offers you should be preparing for those particular things. You can also use it to develop content that goes along with the content that you have that's most popular right now. That's another great way to do that. But again, you're only found for what you say on your website or what content you produce. So it's a little bit of a self-fulfilling prophecy. If I'm not going to be found for content I don't write, but I am going to be found for content that's popular, and I can use that as a starting place right here.